guys, I am making some delicious hummus today, and I'm going to serve it with some Pitta crisps, which are baked in the oven, so they are a slightly healthier version. And I'm going to show you a few options of how to flavor and make different kinds of hummus. To be honest, I have completely stopped buying hummus from the shop since I started making this at home. It's just so much more flavorful, and the shop pot is really small quantities. Here you can get stuck in and have it for lunch, breakfast, dinner, snack. And usually I do soak dry chickpeas overnight, just like I do it for chickpea curry, I guess. But for ease, I'm going to use some tinned chickpeas. So I've got 400 grams of tinned chickpeas. I'm going to rinse it and just kind of quickly run it under the tap. Just going to keep a tablespoon of the chickpeas aside. I'll use it for garnish later, and I'll put the rest in the mixer. To this, I am adding 2 heaped tablespoons of tahini. If you can't find it, you can make it at home by roasting some sesame seeds and then grinding them to you get this lovely paste. Also a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The first one is my favorite one, which is a lovely lemon and coriander hummus with a little bit of garlic. So good, so good. Right, so I'm going to add 1 garlic clove, just a handful of fresh spinach leaves. This is around 20 grams and 20 grams of coriander leaves, and at least half lemon juice. I need lovely lots of gorgeous lemon juice. What it might need is for you to add a tablespoon or 2 of just water, because the real hummus, I've been told, doesn't have olive oil in the hummus. So that's how I make it as well, and it tastes amazing. So a tablespoon or so of water if it needs, and then we're gonna creamy this is, and it smells so amazing. Just gonna go straight on the serving plate. Look at that gorgeous color which you get from spinach and coriander. Now we're gonna add the final touches. So if you just make a little well, and that's where we pour our really nice olive oil. Look at that. And some of the chickpeas go in there. And obviously, because it's a coriander hummus, you've got to have some coriander on top. Finally, some chili flakes. The next hummus is a beetroot hummus. Now, you know, beetroot when roasted, it's going to get a little bit sweeter, and I'm going to make the hummus with the spice that goes beautifully with cumin, with beetroot, which is cumin. So I'm just going to cut it into thin slices. A tiniest drizzle of oil, and I'm going to put this in at a 180°C for 30 minutes. Just going to roast 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Just dry roast them in a So that's a 400 grams tin of chickpeas. To that, I'm going to add again 2 heaped tablespoons of tahini, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a lemon, 1 garlic clove. Most of the cumin I'm going to keep a little bit behind for sprinkling on top. And then this roasted beetroot goes in. So that goes in, and I have got some water here. Oops. Oh my god, look at how stunning this looks. It smells so amazing. Time to plate it up. Then again we're going to make some space to pull up all the oil. Some extra virgin olive oil. And then going to use up the leftover roasted cumin. Oh, this smells just so good. You just want to dive in. And the third hummus is a roasted red pepper and chili hummus. And I'm just going to take 1 red pepper, slice it up, and then just with a little bit of oil, I'm going to put it under a grill for 10 minutes until the skin is all charred. So just on here, a little bit of oil, and then it goes under a grill. And here they are, all beautifully charred. Just gonna peel. Got a tin of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. To this I'm gonna add our lovely roasted peppers, 1 garlic clove. Now I've got a selection of chilies here, so I'm just gonna take 3. Let's go for 3 chilies. Just gonna put them whole in. This is gonna be a hot one. And then squeezing half a lemon, salt, and 2 heaped tablespoons of tahini. And here we go. A little bit of water. Look at that lovely color. Oh, it smells so smoky because of the peppers. Gonna finish it up again with some swirls. And because it's got chilies, I'm gonna finish it with some chilies. So when people are tasting it, they know there's chilies in this. And just some chili flakes. I am going to make some Pitta crisps. And I've got 4 whole pittas here, ready-made of course. You can make them at home. And I'm just going to slice them up. And just open them up a little bit. And then cut them in small pieces. So these are cut and ready, and I'm just going to drizzle just tiniest bit of olive oil on top of this. And just a teeniest bit of salt. And I've got the oven nice and hot at 180°, and I'm going to put these in for 15 to 20 minutes, but I'll keep a close eye. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, around 25 minutes. So like always, keep a close eye. Right, goes in. Mine is at 160 because it's a fan oven. See you soon. So 15 minutes have worked really well. You can see that they are really nice and brown and crisp. So I'll leave it aside and let it cool. God, this all smells so good, and I'm going to try all 3 of them because why not? And you can put it in a fridge in a box, and this will last you 4 to 5 days easily. This is so good to serve with a mix of things. You know, you can, I've got these crisps which you just made, some halloumi, cucumber, carrots, put it in a wrap. The list goes on and on. But that coriander is so strong. It's beautiful with a bit of lemon. The red pepper is totally different. Ooh, that's hot. It's so spicy, lovely spicy. On the beetroot one, that cumin is amazing, so good. I have finished my lunch and I thoroughly enjoyed it all. I hope you will give it a go, and please leave us a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you again with a brand new recipe tomorrow. Bye.